Hello guys, I want to show you the rust issues in the spring house here, and in here those things is a typical issue from Volkswagen T3 or T25 or also the Wagon, so it's just the same everywhere. And it's quite bad there. So it's also inside there. Hello guys, I am not really sure how bad or serious this rust problem in here is. I'm not sure if this is built up from rust or that's just rust or something support. I have to look on it. If I don't find out, then I have to cut it up here and weld in a new piece metal. So I was taking now and clean it up, and then we foresee it's just the same here. So I think work on it earlier. As you see, it's the same issue in here. Rust in there and there, and also under here, underneath. And those things you also find So guys, that's so far. If you look in there, I'm not sure what it is beneath here. If that is from the factory, a support or for building out, I'm not really sure about it. But I just don't understand it. I have to find out, and when I have to, then I just cut this piece out. See here, 1, 2 spots, and here there are welding tacks. So maybe I can lose it and bend it up, and look what is So guys, I did use the Ferrobet rust remover. That's what I've used in all my years now. You go down, and oh, not okay for an old man. Yeah, but I managed. So I used it also in here. And you can see it is working, it's functional. So I suppose it can stay till this afternoon, and then I can clean it off with pure water to neutralize it. Okay, bye. And to see it is turning black. And I think it's can stay there until this evening, maybe tomorrow. I see it bubbling, it's scumming, so it's very functional. And then I can see what I'm coming to do in there. It's as I said, as bed on the other side. Okay guys, I'll show you. It looks quite okay here again. It's nice black and the rust is away. But I have to resolve it all and weld it in new. So, that looks too bad. And it's just same on the other side. So, it don't look too bad, but there comes a lot of work to me. Hello guys, just want to show you the rest what I have done now this morning. I prepared it with feather bed, rust remover everywhere. So, and also on the outside. In here. So, see, can be quite okay, but I have to do a lot of work there still, because the rust issue is quite serious, as I have seen it. I just want to show you what I'm using. That's the product that I'm using, and it eats the rust away. So, see you later. Hello guys! Today I'm starting up again with the last of the flances in here, and using polyester putty to get good tightening on this side and also the fence on the other side, and a little back there. So just a few moments that I starting up with to mix the putty here. I have to put the mask on because it's a very strong smell, and that's not good for my respiratory issues. Okay. Now guys, I proceed yet with to take spaces between those. So Hello everyone. Today I'm starting up again with the upper deck here. I did sand it or grind it with fine paper. All of it up there, down there in the treasure bed. And now I will clean it up with denaturized alcohol or red Sprite to clean it up and wash it. So I covered the window for when I start to prepare the wall here, so that I don't get in any paint inside, because that I'm using is beige epoxy filler that I will use over the whole complete wall and everywhere down there. Everywhere there. And the treasure bed in here. And also everything there. The whole top I'm using over there and there. When that's done, I can fine grind it when it's dry, and then I can start to paint it with the original paint. Okay, bye. Starting up with masking this part here and also on the other side. Then I can use my primer. Okay, so far I've closed there. So then I can start to use filler there and on the deck here and over there, in there, and the loading bed. Hey guys, today the 30th of March I'm starting up with Max Spray Max, and this a primer, the green primer and filler. I'm starting up here in the bottom there and working up over. So I have to put on my mask. I hope it's going okay. Oh. So I had to take the neck box. Oh, if I look how long it's been. Hello guys and good morning. Today I packing up my surprise from Air Cooled Customs in Alabama, the USA. I got a package yesterday, and I will open it today. So I'll be surprised what I'm getting from Air Cooled Customs. Wow, the air-cooled customs emblem, 2 pieces, very nice, and one blood, sweat and windjet steel, very interesting. I'll be happy to take a look at it. And the restoration, how to restore your Volkswagen Beetle. So, spooky and air-cooled customs, I thank you very much for the attention and the surprising package. I'm very happy with it and I will show it in my next video. Okay, bye.